I just pulled up to Michael Jackson's home where he grew up at and his brothers and sisters, where Janet was raised. I'm so excited because as a child, I was a fan and still is. Recently went to go see Janet in concert. She killed it. And I'm just excited to see the house where they grew up at. It's a small house in a small neighborhood, and I just like to take a look. Right here in front of the Jackson's house where all the magic happened, where the kids was raised at, the whole Jackson family, where they was raised at. As you can see in the back, this is the house right here. And they may have bought in this house right next door because it's really kept up very well. But the neighborhood is definitely an older neighborhood. And as you can see, other people are out and about taking a look at the Jackson's house as well. So as you can see, they have kid statues out here, statues of them playing. They kept up the yard really good. And then they got memorable locks down here. It says MJ and all of the people who came and visited. But so far, it's a great experience. It's closed today. Of course, it's closed. But it's still a cool experience to be here in the atmosphere around where they grew up at. Now I'm over here at the fan wall, and it seems like a ton of fans have already come and left their mark and gave their peaceful respects and love to the great King of Pop. So I'm gonna try to find a space here where I can leave my mark and wish him well. So right now I'm about to take us across the street where we can see the street. 600 West Jackson Street.